ahead and draw this out into a tang. I'm not sure whether I'm gonna take enough to make it a hidden tang or not, but we're gonna see what happens. And one of the guys that I watch, which I mean he's a jeweler, an artist, a smith, everything all in one. That brother Kyle Royer. He said he lets his village heat up with the Ford. So I've always tried to do that. And yeah, I mean, if someone like him says it, there's a fact behind it. So I do it. All right, we'll get back with y'all when we get everything fired up, man.